contracts this week falling 26.1% from last year and last week. It's Friday, May 30th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker-owner reporting from the Eastern Shore office of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore report. Homes for sale rose this report to 2,107 units, with another 161 due to the market soon. 141 homes went under contract in 32 days, which is lower this report than last. 109 settled at 96.7% list to sold ratio, with days before contract rising to 35 days. 98 homes are for lease, available at a median $2,300 a month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore report for Friday, May 30th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.